Ciao travel lovers, welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, benvenuti. Today, we're whisking you away to the breathtaking coastal gem of Sorrento, Italy, a paradise where lemon groves meet turquoise waters, and every cobblestone street tells a story. From hidden beaches with jaw-dropping cliffs to charming piazzas buzzing with life in Sorrento, we're counting down the 7 must-visit spots that will steal your heart. Seven, Via San Cesario, the heartbeat of Sorrento's charm. Nestled in the sun-drenched embrace of Italy's Amalfi Coast, Sorrento is a symphony of lemon groves, sea breezes, and timeless beauty. And at the very core of this enchanting town lies Via San Cesario, a narrow, bustling lane that pulses with the soul of Sorrento. Stepping onto Via San Cesario is like wandering into a living postcard. The cobblestones, worn smooth by centuries of footsteps, lead you past artisan shops, their vibrant displays spilling onto the street. The air is fragrant with the zesty perfume of limoncello, crafted from the region's famous lemons, and the sweet allure of freshly made gelato beckons from every corner. Lacemakers, their fingers dancing with precision, continue a heritage passed down through generations. And everywhere, the hum of Italian chatter blends with the laughter of travelers discovering hidden gems, whether it's a family-run enoteca pouring local wines or a tiny pasticceria serving melt-in-your-mouth sfogliatella. But Via San Cesario isn't just a feast for the senses, it's a journey through time. The medieval archways and weathered facades tell stories of Sorrento's past, while the lively piazzas invite you to pause, sip an espresso, and simply live like the locals do. 6. The enchanting Isle of Capri, a jewel off the coast of Sorrento. Just a short, shimmering boat ride away from the sun-drenched cliffs of Sorrento lies Capri, an island that seems plucked from a dream. With its turquoise waters, dramatic cliffs, and an air of effortless elegance, Capri has long been a sanctuary for artists, poets, and travelers seeking beauty in its purest form. As you approach by sea, the island rises from the Mediterranean like a mirage, its rugged limestone peaks crowned with lush greenery. The famous Faraglione rocks stand sentinel at the southern coast, their arches carved by centuries of wind and wave as a breathtaking welcome to this paradise. Stepping onto the marina at Marina Grande, you're immediately wrapped in Capri's unique charm. Pastel-colored buildings cling to the cliffs, while little boats bob in the harbor, their owners calling out offers for private tour to hidden grottos. And speaking of grottos, no visit to Capri is complete without witnessing the otherworldly glow of the Blue Grotto, where sunlight filters through the water, setting the cavern ablaze in an ethereal azure light. But Capri isn't just about its natural wonders. Take the funicular up to Capri town, where luxury and tradition intertwine seamlessly. Chic boutiques line the Piazza Umberto I, better known as La Piazzetta, the vibrant heart of the island, where espresso-sipping visitors bask in the dolce vita atmosphere. Wander the winding lanes, where bougainvillea spills over whitewashed walls and the scent of lemon groves lingers in the air. 5. Bagni della Regina Giovanna, Sorrento's hidden paradise. Found along the breathtaking coastline of Sorrento, where the cliffs meet the shimmering Tyrrhenian Sea, lies a place of legend and natural beauty, Bagni della Regina Giovanna, or the Baths of Queen Joan. This enchanting spot, steeped in myth and history, is one of Italy's best-kept secrets, a hidden oasis that feels like stepping into a forgotten paradise. Imagine a secluded cove where crystal-clear turquoise waters lap against ancient stone ruins, surrounded by lush Mediterranean vegetation. The air is filled with the scent of wildflowers and the salty breeze of the sea. This is Bagni della Regina Giovanna, a natural swimming pool carved by time, embraced by the remains of a Roman villa that once stood here over 2,000 years ago. Getting here is an adventure in itself, a scenic walk along a coastal path through olive groves and fragrant lemon trees, with jaw-dropping views of the sea at every turn. Once you arrive, the sight is nothing short of magical. Whether you're snorkeling in the clear waters, diving from the rocks, or just soaking in the peaceful atmosphere, Bagni della Regina Giovanna offers a rare escape from the crowds, a place where history and nature blend seamlessly. For those seeking an authentic taste of Sorrento's beauty away from the bustling piazzas and tourist hubs, this hidden gem is a must-visit. It's a reminder that some of the most extraordinary places are the ones untouched by time, waiting quietly for those willing to seek them out. 4. Limoncello tasting in Sorrento, a zestful Italian adventure. There's something magical about this place where the air itself seems to carry the bright, citrusy perfume of ripe lemons. And what better way to immerse yourself in Sorrento's essence than by stepping into a local limoncello factory, tucked away in a charming park just outside the bustling town center. As you wander through the lush greenery, the scent of lemon blossoms grows stronger, leading you toward a rustic, sun-drenched workshop. Here, the art of limoncello making is not just tradition, it's a passion passed down through generations. The friendly artisans welcome you with a smile, eager to share the secrets behind Italy's most beloved lemon liqueur. You watch as they carefully hand-select the finest Sorrento lemons, their thick, aromatic peels perfect for infusing the vibrant spirit. The process is simple yet sacred. Steep the zest in pure alcohol, blend it with fresh syrup, and let time work its magic. But the real delight comes when you're handed a small, frosty glass of the finished product, its radiant yellow hue glowing like liquid sunshine. 3. Villa Comunale Park, located along the breathtaking cliffs of Sorrento, where the sky kisses the sea in a horizon of endless blue, lies the enchanting Villa Comunale Park, a serene oasis that feels like a secret garden suspended between land and ocean. Stroll along the winding pathways where vibrant bursts of bougainvillea cascade over stone walls and centuries-old trees cast dappled shadows on the ground. The air is alive with the melodies of songbirds, mingling with the distant laughter of visitors, soaking in the magic of this coastal paradise. But the true showstopper, the park's panoramic terrace, where the Tyrrhenian Sea unfolds in all its glory. Lean against the railing and let your gaze sweep across the endless blue, with the mighty Mount Vesuvius standing guard in the distance. Down below, the cliffs plunge dramatically into the water, while colorful fishing boats bob gently near the marina, a scene so perfect it feels painted by an artist's hand. Whether you're seeking a peaceful retreat, a romantic moment, or simply a place to breathe in the beauty of the Amalfi Coast, Villa Comunale Park is Sorrento's gift to wanderers, a little slice of heaven where land, sea, and soul come together in perfect harmony. 2. Marina Grande, Sorrento's timeless seaside escape. Suited along the sun-drenched cliffs of the Sorrentine Peninsula, Marina Grande is a postcard-perfect fishing village that feels like a step back in time. Unlike the bustling marinas crowded with yachts, this charming harbor remains refreshingly authentic, a place where weathered boats bob gently on turquoise waves and the scent of salt and garlic lingers in the air. As you wander down the narrow lanes lined with pastel-colored houses, you'll feel the rhythm of slow Italian life. Fishermen mend their nets by hand, locals chat over espresso, and laundry flutters lazily in the sea breeze. It's a scene untouched by haste, where tradition holds strong against the tide of modernity. It's in these quiet moments that Marina Grande reveals its soul, a place where the sea, the sky, and centuries of history blend into something truly unforgettable. 1. Piazza Tasso, the beating heart of Sorrento. Nestled in the vibrant core of Sorrento, Piazza Tasso is more than just a square, it's the pulsating soul of this enchanting Italian coastal town. From the moment you step into its lively embrace, you're swept into a whirlwind of energy, where the scent of espresso lingers in the air, the hum of animated conversations dances around you, and the timeless charm of the Amalfi Coast comes alive. At the center of it all, the statue of Saint Anthony stands watch, a silent guardian amid the lively chaos. Around him, the square unfolds like a stage. Vespa scooters zip past, their riders weaving effortlessly through the crowds, while boutique shops and gelaterias tempt passers-by with their colorful displays. And just beyond, narrow alleys beckon, promising hidden trattorias and artisan workshops where age-old traditions are kept alive. This is more than a stop on your itinerary, it's where you pause, breathe, and let Italy's dolce vita wash over you. Because in Piazza Tasso, every moment feels like a scene from a dream. And there you have it, 7 breathtaking spots in Sorrento that will make your trip unforgettable. Did we miss any of your favorite spots? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your Sorrento stories. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more travel inspiration so you never miss an adventure. Until next time, keep exploring, and arrivederci from beautiful Sorrento.